We are currently doing the beekeeping program. The whole idea of the beekeeping program was to have people appreciate the forest that they have on their farms. You should consider the poverty levels quite high around this area. There isn't much to do. The easiest way to make money is going in the field, going in the Katarina Forest Reserve. The big trees, the good trees, cut them down and make charcoal.
The main aim is to alleviate hunger from the actual farmers, to divert them from this business of charcoal burning, that they should see the importance of keeping their forests, because in forests there are a lot of things that we can get. There are mushrooms, there are wild fruits. We also got caterpillars growing on trees. Also, keeping the vegetation helps in climate change, because once we wipe out the trees, it's very difficult to have the rain patterns in a proper form.